In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix any TV remote not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, like I said, this works on literally any TV, so I'm going to give you a few different methods that you can use. So obviously, if you have your remote right here, let's say it's one that has batteries in the back. It could literally be as simple as you needing to change your batteries. So just make sure you have like either rechargeable ones or ones that will just be like a one-time use, but make sure they're powerful and they're compatible with your remote. So you might just want to search up your remote online and see which batteries are the best for your remote. Then once you've changed them, try and use your remote again and they should be working. Now, this one is a Samsung remote and this specific one doesn't actually have batteries in it. It's actually a solar powered remote. So if your one doesn't have batteries and is just like this, whenever you leave it outside or just leave it on your table or anything, you want to leave it just like this. And that basically means it's going to be charging from this. Even if it's not direct sunlight and it's just a light in your room, it's going to be charging with this. But if you always have it like this, that might be why it's dead, because there's no way it's going to be charging. So whenever you have it face down, it's actually going to always be charging and you're going to be able to use it. Now, the final step is just do this at your own risk, but you might just want to give your remote a few taps on like the floor or anything like that, just to make sure that any internals are working as they should. But then after that, you should be good to go.